Today I'm taking a look at the AIMIBO HDMI transmitter. So here's one piece. I like that they got the HDMI cord already plugged into it. That is a regular HDMI on the other side. That way I don't have to worry about losing this cable. Also, just like the small size of this little puck. A USB-C port there in the front for power. It has a little rubber ring on the back so we don't have to worry about it sliding around. You can see there on the bottom it says RX, so that is going to be the receiver. This is going to be the puck that plugs into the TV. And here we got the same thing. This one says TX, so this is going to be the transmitter. This will be plugging in whatever you're going to be transmitting from. We got our instructions. Got a cable for power, that's USB-A to USB-C. And then we got another one for the receiver. This one looks like it actually has a dongle installed on it. Also USB-A to USB-C. So first I'm going to plug in power to the receiver, and I'm going to plug that into the back of the TV. This is kind of nice. It actually tells you on the screen exactly how to hook this guy up. So this part's important. Whatever you're going to be transmitting from needs to be capable of USB-C video out, because that is how this guy plugs in. So this laptop has USB-C. So the laptop seems to see it. So I didn't have to plug the power into it. This actually supplies enough power to run the entire transmitter. So right now it is simply duplicating his displays. I'm going to right click display settings and I'm going to go to extend. So now I can take this, pull it off, I can drag it over there, and do whatever the heck I want to with that. So now I have this external monitor that's completely wireless, so I can take this laptop and take that guy away. Then I can go sit on the couch and I can use my big TV in order to play games and stuff. And now I'm going to unplug it from the laptop and I'm going to plug it into my phone. Even though we got a blue light on here, I do believe this is going to use external power, mostly just because I don't want to be drawing power from my phone. That's cool. So it actually charges my phone while that's plugged in. So there we go. Now I can sit on the couch and play on my phone and have everything duplicated right there on my display. So if you're looking for a video transmitter that uses USB-C, this is the first one I've seen that's capable of actually doing that. It seems to be working fairly well as well. So that is very cool.